Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I am going to be reviewing some Amazon clip-ins. I was about to say tape-ins, but these are seamless clip-ins. So these are a little different from the clip-ins y'all are used to. These are improved, updated clip-ins. So if y'all are interested in seeing me install and review these seamless clip-ins, then make sure you keep watching. But I did just receive my Amazon package in the mail. We got the goods, y'all. We've got the goods. We've got our seamless clip-ins. This is how they come in this package. I did only get one set of clip-ins. I figured that it would be like the same amount that came with my tape-ins. If y'all haven't seen my tape-ins review, watch. I'll link it up here for you guys to check out. I never use a whole pack of tape-ins just because how I install them and the thickness and length of my hair, I don't really need a whole pack. Like, my hair would be super big and I'm not looking to have like super big hair. I just want a little bit more fullness to my hair. So this is how they come. Like I said, this is one pack of the clip-ins, and as you can see, they're nice and full from the root to the tip. This is the kinky straight texture, which is my favorite texture because once I straighten these out, it literally looks exactly like the texture of my hair. The difference with these seamless clip-ins and regular clip-ins is that the top of them, like where the clip-in part is so much thinner. It's like a tape-in. So I'll show you guys here. Like, you see how thin that is? Usually with clip-ins, it's thick up there and like it lays flat, but it don't lay flat like a tape-in would. But these are supposed to lay flat. But to me, this is better because I can take these out when I want and I don't have to go to anybody to install it. So again, y'all, this is how they look. You can see just how thin they are. This is one of the longer ones and it has 3 clips on it. So I have 2 of these longer ones with 3 clips. This is the longest one here. This has 4 clips on it. Some with 2 clips. They also sent 2 extra clips. Now, as for how these feel before I go ahead and clip them into my hair, they do feel really nice and soft. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. I'm gonna leave my hair in a middle part because that's how I like to wear my hair. And if I didn't mention already, these are the 20-inch clip-ins. Like I said, I just want these for fullness, not necessarily length, because it's not really giving me length. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my flat irons, and I'm gonna straighten these a little bit before I actually put them into my hair and then go over it again. All right, so I've got them pretty straight for the most part. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully y'all can see this when I do turn around, because I don't know how it's gonna be looking since I don't have a mirror right here. Ooh. Okay, I am going to just like messily part my hair about where I want the clip-in to be. And this top part up. All right, and I'm going to open up my clips. Okay, and I'm just going to start. I'm going to start in the middle, and right at the root, I'm going to place my clips. And then I'm going to push on them to snap them shut. I'm going to take the ones at the end. Snap it shut. And I'm kind of pulling on it so that it's nice and flat and I don't have like any bumps. And so we have it placed. And before I put any more in, I'm just gonna like pull this to the front to see how it's looking as far as. So I'm gonna take my little shearing comb. I guess that's what this is called. I literally just got this from Amazon. I'll link it down below if y'all wanna get it. But I like this. So like when I'm cutting the ends of my hair and I don't want it to look blunt, I'm literally just gonna take this here and kind of like tease it as I'm doing it. I'm gonna take just a little bit of my hair in with this, not a lot at all, But I'm just gonna go over this with the chasing method with the clip-in in there so it can be blended in with my hair. And this is how I can tell that this hair blends so nicely with my hair, because I can't really tell the difference once it's combed together what part is my hair and what part isn't, unless I'm like at the root and I'm separating it. Look at that blend. Okay, now I'm gonna let my hair down again and just kind of finger comb through it. As y'all can see, that's already giving me a little bit more fullness. I'm gonna do just like 2 more clip-ins because I don't want it to look fake. I still want it to look like my hair. I'm gonna take one of these shorter ones that have 2 clips and put it on each side. Part here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my clips by snapping them. I don't want to put it too close to my hairline, so I'm gonna pull it a little bit further back, because if I put it too close to my hairline, you'll be able to see it. Okay. All right, so I got both clips in on each side, and I'm gonna let my hair down again. All right, y'all, so this is how everything is looking. I curled my bangs just a little bit too much, but it's fine because when I put my scarf on and I like swoop them to the side at night, they're pretty flat. This is how the clip-ins look. I did not go in and cut them because all of the front is my hair, since I placed the clip-ins like a little bit further back right here. And as y'all can see, it's flat. It's very, very flat. Like, these are truly seamless clip-ins. If you wouldn't have saw me put the clip-ins in my hair, you probably wouldn't know that I had them in. So I'm gonna show you how it looks in the front. And then I'm gonna pull it all to the back so you can see the back. These clip-ins look very, very natural, and I still have all of these clip-ins left. So I feel like these are a great option if you don't want to try tape-ins, if you want something that you can easily take out and don't have to worry about damaging your hair. Definitely try these clip-ins. I will link them down below for you guys. They are listed on my Amazon storefront, so you can just easily go ahead, place them in your cart, and check out. So that's it. You guys, let me know in the comments if you would try these. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.